Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we will be talking about altcoins and how to make money with them. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Cryptocurrencies have been gaining a lot of attention in recent years, and while Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, there are many other cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, that also offer unique features and benefits. In this video, we will be discussing altcoins and what sets them apart from Bitcoin. What are altcoins? Altcoins are alternative cryptocurrencies that were created after Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, there are now thousands of other cryptocurrencies that exist, each with its own unique characteristics, use cases, and benefits. Types of altcoins. There are several types of altcoins, including 1. Stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to the value of a real-world asset, such as the US dollar or gold. The purpose of stablecoins is to provide stability and reduce volatility in the cryptocurrency market. Examples of stablecoins include Tether, USDT, USD Coin, USDC, and Paxos Standard, PX. 2. Privacy coins. Privacy coins are cryptocurrencies that offer enhanced privacy and anonymity features. They use advanced cryptography techniques to obfuscate transactions and protect user privacy. Examples of privacy coins include Monero, Zcash, and Dash. 3. Utility tokens. Utility tokens are cryptocurrencies that are used to access specific products or services on a particular blockchain network. These tokens are usually issued by the company or organization that created the blockchain network and can be used to pay for goods and services within the network. Examples of utility tokens include Basic Attention Token, Golem, and Augur. 4. Security tokens. Security tokens are cryptocurrencies that represent a share in a real-world asset, such as stocks or real estate. They are regulated by the SEC and other financial regulatory bodies and are subject to the same laws and regulations as traditional securities. Examples of security tokens include Zero, Spice VC, and Blockchain Capital. Benefits of altcoins. While Bitcoin is still the dominant cryptocurrency, altcoins offer several benefits that set them apart, including 1. Diversification. Investing in altcoins can help diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio and reduce risk. By investing in different types of altcoins, you can spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks, which can help protect your investments in case one particular cryptocurrency or network experiences problems. 2. Innovation. Altcoins are often created to solve specific problems or offer unique features, which can lead to innovation in the cryptocurrency space. Altcoins can be designed to address specific issues that Bitcoin may not be able to address, such as scalability, privacy, or governance. 3. Profit potential. Some altcoins have experienced significant price increases in the past, providing investors with the potential for high returns. However, it's important to note that altcoins can also be more volatile than Bitcoin, which means that they can also experience significant price drops. 4. Specialization. Altcoins can be designed to serve specific use cases or industries, providing specialized solutions that may not be possible with Bitcoin. For example, some altcoins are designed for gaming, social media, or supply chain management, and can provide unique benefits to users within those industries. Challenges of altcoins. While altcoins offer several benefits, they also face several challenges, including 1. Competition. Altcoins must compete with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for market share and investor attention. This can make it difficult for newer altcoins to gain traction and build a user base. 2. Regulation. Many altcoins operate in a regulatory gray area, which can make it difficult for investors to determine their legality and legitimacy. Some countries have banned the use of cryptocurrencies altogether, while others have strict regulations in place that can make it difficult for altcoins to operate within their borders. Altcoins offer a wide range of benefits and unique features, but they also face several challenges that make investing in them riskier than Bitcoin. As with any investment, It's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing in any cryptocurrency, including altcoins. While altcoins can offer the diversification, innovation, and profit potential, investors should also be aware of the potential challenges they face, including competition, regulation, lack of liquidity, and security risks. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.